Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4Matic. This accident-free all-wheel drive sedan is powered by a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 7-speed automatic transmission that can get you only 7 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Moving to the back of the vehicle, you have these great looking 20-inch wheels, as well as lots of cargo space in the back, plus this car comes with a second set of winter tires. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors, windows, and front seats. You also have memory for the front 2 seats, power folding mirrors, as well as express up and down for all 4 windows. You have a trunk release. On the dash is your headlight controls and parking brake. You have your cruise control, your display controls, as well as hands-free audio, all on the steering wheel. There's these nice paddles for your 7-speed automatic, as well as your gear select. This vehicle is currently sitting at 70,514 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit, your stereo controls, heated front seats, auto start stop, parking sensors, and dynamic select, automatic dual zone climate controls. This vehicle also has black leather seats, and the front 2 also have lumbar support adjustment. For the back of the interior, you have 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down armrest and flip out cup holders in the center. You also have access to rear AC. If you'd like to see this 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4Matic in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.